Today we're installing Viewrail FLIGHT floating stairs with a straight stringer. Remember, simple installations begin with great measurements during the planning phase, so take your time and make careful measurements when working with the tech team. On installation day, you'll begin by carrying the stringer to the installation site and unpacking it. To prep the stringer for installation, you'll need to secure the attachment plates on each end of the stringer. When tightening and torquing, be sure to follow the sequence shown in the written installation instructions. Using the measurements from your provided drawing, mark the position on the header where the header plate will be mounted. Creating a center mark on the header and the plate will help you align them quickly in the next step. Now you're ready to raise the stringer into position. With the help of a couple of friends or a come-along winch, carefully raise the stringer into position and align the header marks. Once the marks are lined up, use a lag bolt to temporarily hold the stringer in place. To make sure the stringer is level, you'll put a tread on near the top and the bottom. To install a tread bracket, place the bracket on the stringer and insert the location pins to hold it in place. Start the bolts by hand, then tighten and torque using the sequence in the written installation instructions. Once the brackets are secured, you'll carefully place a tread near the top and one near the bottom. Ensure the treads are level and that any space between the treads and wall are consistent. If the treads aren't level, shim the stringer until level is achieved. Once the treads are level and the stringer is properly aligned, add a second lag bolt to the header plate and begin populating all header and footer plate holes. Through bolting is required for the header plate unless special arrangements have been made. Following the same instructions as before, now the rest of the tread brackets are installed. Because of low clearance, the bottom tread has its own attachment method. Using the tool provided, install hanger bolts into the bottom of the tread. Then flip the tread over, set it on the bracket, and secure it with provided washers and nuts. The rest of the treads are secured with the splod fasteners. That's it for the installation of the stringer and treads for Viewrail FLIGHT. Of course, handrail needs to be completed. On this job, the homeowner chose rod railing. You can see a detailed rod railing installation video on our channel. Thanks for watching this one-day installation of Viewrail FLIGHT.